Hello, kids! Welcome to Branio Homeschooling. Today, we will learn how to write numbers from 0 to 20. Take your pencil and notebook. Are you ready? Let's go! Number 0. This is number 0. Let's write 0. Make one big circle. Great! This is 0. Number 1. This is number 1. Let's write 1. Draw one straight line. Great! This is 1. Number 2. This is number 2. Let's write 2. Curve, slant, and a straight line. Great! This is 2. Number 3. This is number 3. Let's write 3. Make 2 curves. Great! This is 3. Number 4. This is number 4. Let's write 4. Line down, line across, and line down. Great! This is 4. Number 5. This is number 5. Let's write 5. Line across, line down, and a curve. Great! This is 5.
Number 6. This is number 6. Let's write 6. Make a curve and a loop. Great! This is 6. Number 7. This is number 7. Let's write 7. Line across and slant down. Great! This is 7. Number 8. This is number 8. Let's write 8. Make 2 circles. Great! This is 8. Number 9. This is number 9. Let's write 9. Make a circle and a line down. Great! This is 9. Number 10. This is number 10. Let's write 1 and 0. Great! This is 10.
Now, let's write numbers from 11 to 20. 1 and 1. 11. 1 and 2. 12. 1 and 3. 13. 1 and 4. 14. 1 and 5. 15. 1 and 6. 16. 1 and 7. 17. 1 and 8. 18. 1 and 9. 19. 2 and 0. 20. Great job! Kids, here is a smart writing tip. Draw 2 boxes in your notebook. T and O. T means tens. O means ones. Okay, kids, now let's write together in your notebook. Number 0. Write 0 in the ones box. Now, write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Number 10. Now we need 2 boxes. Write 1 in the tens box and 0 in the ones box, because 10 has 1 10 and 0 ones. Number 11. Write 1 in the tens box and 1 in the ones box, because 11 has 1 10 and 1 1. Number 12. Write 1 in the tens box and 2 in the ones box, because 12 has one 10 and two ones. Number 13. Write 1 in the tens box and 3 in the ones box, because 13 has one 10 and three ones. Number 14. Write 1 in the tens box and 4 in the ones box, because 14 has one 10 and four ones. Number 15. Write 1 in the tens box and 5 in the ones box, because 15 has one 10 and five ones. Number 16. Write 1 in the tens box and 6 in the ones box, because 16 has one 10 and six ones. Number 17. Write 1 in the tens box and 7 in the ones box, because 17 has one 10 and seven ones. Number 18. Write 1 in the tens box and 8 in the ones box, because 18 has one 10 and eight ones. Number 19. Write 1 in the tens box and 9 in the ones box, because 19 has one 10 and nine ones. Number 20. Write 2 in the tens box and 0 in the ones box, because 20 has two 10s and 0 ones. Great job! Now draw T and O boxes and practice writing numbers 1 to 20 in your notebook. Dear parents, if you want practice worksheets in PDF, comment below or email me. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Branio Homeschooling. See you next time. Bye-bye.